morning to everyone. Miss Rita here. Children, in today's video of class 6 Max, we are going to study chapter number 18, three-dimensional shapes. Children, in this chapter, the concepts are we are going to learn sphere, cuboid, cube, triangular prism, cylinder, pyramid, and cone. Children, let's recall. Cuboid or rectangular prism. The figure you can see on your screen, a box is given. It is in which shape? Cuboid. Very good. Children, this shape we can make with this given folded paper. So you have learned in a lower class how to make the shapes with the given paper. Now children, the parts of figure. Whichever the figures are given, they have the three parts. There are faces, vertices and edges. The rectangular prism. All the faces of a cuboid are rectangular and its opposite faces are identical or congruent. Then the cuboid is also called a quadrilateral prism. Children, in cuboid, there are 12 edges. Edges are, for example, AP is one edges, BQ is the second edges, CR is the third edges, DS is the fourth edges. Now AB is the fifth edge, BC is the sixth edge, CD is the seventh edge, and AD is the eighth edge. Now PQ is the ninth edge, QR is the 10th, RS is the 11th, and PS is the 12th. Total 12 edges are there in cuboid. There are 8 vertices, means corner. How many corners are there? Like A, B, C, D. The 4 corners are there upper side. The 4 corners are given in the bottom. P, Q, S, R. This corner is also known as the vertices. So in cuboid there are 8 vertices. Now faces. The flat surface area is called faces. So here in the cuboid total 6 faces are there. Let's see the total 6 faces. A, B, C, D is a one face. A, P, Q, B is the second face. D, S, R, C is the third face. Q, P, S, R is the fourth face. Now in the front, A, P, S, D is the fifth face. The back side we have the B, Q, R, C is the sixth face. It means in cuboid there are 12 edges, 8 vertices and 6 faces. Here you have learned about the edges, vertices and faces of a cuboid. Now children, cube. When all the faces of a quadrilateral prism are equal, square, it is called a cube. So this figure is known as cube. A cube has 12 edges, 8 vertices and 6 faces. Cube and cuboid have the same edges, vertices and faces. This is also another example of cube. Triangular prism. The top and the bottom faces are triangular in shape. There is a first property of triangular prism. Second property is the vertical faces are rectangular in shape. Whichever the vertical faces are. Vertical means the standing faces are also in rectangular in shape. And triangular prism has 9 edges, 6 vertices and 5 faces. The figure you can see here. If we open the triangular prism, it looks like this. Top will be in the triangle shape and the bottom is also in a triangle shape. And the vertical faces, you can see the vertical faces are the 3, right? So total we have how many faces? 1 top, 1 bottom and 3 in the vertical. Total 5 faces are there. And edges means line. If we count edges 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Total 9 edges are there. The vertices means corner. 3 corners are up, 3 vertices is up and 3 vertices is down. Total we have 6 vertices. So in triangular prism there are 9 edges, 6 vertices and 5 faces. Cylinder. A cylinder has 0 vertices. There is no corner or we can say vertex in a cylinder shape. So there will be a vertex will be 0. Now faces. Now student, here you can see there are 2 types of faces. Upper and below will be the 2 circular faces. Up, one is top, one is bottom. So 2 circular faces are there. And the middle part, if you see, curve face. So the rounding part of the cylinder is in the curve face, means 2 circular face, 1 curve face. Now edges is how many? If you see the circle in the top and circle in the bottom, there is a line of a circle, like we can see circumference, that is called edges. So one edges will be up, one edges will be down. There are 2 circular edges in the cylinder in shape. Pyramids are 2 types. One is square pyramid, another is triangle pyramid. In the square pyramid, the bottom will be in the square shape. In square pyramid, if you see how many faces are there? Square means 4 faces will be up, 1 is down. Total 5 faces are there. Edges. So down there are 4 edges and 4 edges is upward side. Total 8 edges. The total vertices are 4 vertices are given down and the one top one. 4 plus 1, 5 vertices are there in square pyramid. Now triangle pyramid. If you see triangle pyramid, the bottom will be in the shape of triangle. How many faces are there? 1 face will be down in bottom and 3 faces will go up. 3 faces will go up means that it is in the triangle shape. So 3 faces will be up, 1 bottom. Total 4 faces are there. And edges are 6. 3 edges will be down and 3 edges will go up. So it will be total 6 edges. Vertices. If you see the vertices, how many corners are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 vertices are there in the triangular pyramid. That is cone. Have you seen the cone shape? Yes. This is the cone shape. The top or tip part is known as the apex. And this part is called the curve face because it's in the curve shape. And the bottom one is called circular flat face. If it is closed, then it is circular flat face. Cone shape we have the birthday cap also, but downward is open. But some cone shape we have the cover. For example, cornetto ice cream. We have the cover in the top. And the circular edges. The circle one is called the circular edge. The tip of the cone is called the apex. A cone has 1 curved face and 1 circular face. If you see in the figure, 1 curved face is arrow and 1 circular flat face is arrow. And 1 circular edge. And only 1 vertex is there in a cone. I told you, for example, birthday cap and ice cream cone are in the shape of cone. Sphere. Sphere means the shape of laddu, a ball A shot put is called a spear. A ball is in the shape of spear. Laddu also you eat at home. That is also a shape of spear. Spear has one curved face, zero vertex, because in ball, if you see the figure ball, there is no vertex. It means zero vertex and zero edges. It means the spear has only one curved face. Vertex will be 0 and edges will be 0. Like globe. Globe also is the shape of spear.